the centered sum of squares and cross products matrix. Let's use deviation scores from, I think it was video 3.2. We had matrix X and small x, and we found it to have the following values. It was 5, 6, 2, 0, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 3, and lastly, negative 3, negative 1. Now, I always list it just to make sure I did it correctly, because I do make mistakes. But it looks like we do have the values 5, 6, 2, 0, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 3, negative 3, negative 1. Now, we are going to pre-multiply this by its transpose to get the centered sum of squares and cross products matrix. And we are going to call the CSSCP matrix B. So matrix B equals, we're going to pre-multiply the deviation scores by its transpose. So the transpose of x times x should give us B. So let's take a look at that. And in fact, it is what we got when we did it by hand with the values 46, 43, 43, 50. And once again, you see that this is a symmetric matrix, so Stata's output will only give you the values that it actually needs to. It gives you the lower triangle. And that's a very simple way to get the centered sum of squares and cross products matrix in Stata.